Cardano, in every practical sense, is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that certainly has a current worth of $0.5 on 808901 and a market capitalization of $2888,494.26, which generally is genuinely critical. Digital currencies, for the most part, have kind of lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an unobtrusive way. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is significantly directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate in an unobtrusive manner. Some fundamentally huge speculation banks even sort of game Cardano and essentially other cryptographic forms of money as a group to, in a real sense, safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in a very enormous manner. Presently, now is the right time to truly uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ADA market that basically depend on the readings of our in every practical sense remarkable crypto unpredictability record that by and large assists us with checking the market feeling and especially expect where in which the market plans to go essentially. At this point, the cost of Cardano by and large is 0.5's 808901. While the coin at present basically winds up at 8th spot in the genuinely and general really positioning in an essentially significant manner. The said in every practical sense positioning, all things considered, is assessed based on the resources all things considered, present value that generally is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that certainly is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a really significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients explicitly get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an essentially significant way. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, or so they generally thought. On February 23, the cost of Cardano sort of was at 0.5 at 86,269 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 0.56%, showing how presently, now is the right time to essentially uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ADA market that explicitly depend on the readings of our really special crypto unpredictability record that sort of assists us with checking the market opinion, and for the most part expect the bearing wherein the market plans to sort of go in a fundamentally large manner. 7 days prior, on February 17, ADA was esteemed at 98,716, which sort of really intends that from that point forward, the cost essentially has vacillated by 0%, which explicitly is very huge. A month prior, on January 24, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $470.6593. In this way, the coin truly has taken a 23.56% action to arrive at its by and large present standings in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main most certainly factor that we explicitly consider while making the cost expectation amazingly. It means a lot to keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to really have an essentially clear perspective on where the market in a real sense is going in a significant manner. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys in every practical sense equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which explicitly is very critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to sort of decide the especially by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Changes in market capitalization, quite sure or genuinely negative, really are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could sort of head, as well as the resource's extremely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both exceptionally short and genuinely long-haul points of view, or so they truly thought. This fundamentally specific, especially metric in a real sense, is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an unobtrusive manner. To by and large decide the very current market capitalization of ADA, we actually duplicate the flowing inventory, the boundary that will sort of be for the most part made sense of later by the in every practical sense present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which in a real sense is very critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano most certainly remains at $2,888,494.26, which shapes the reason for really present extremely positioning by and large was referenced before in a very huge manner. Yesterday, on February 23, ADA for the most part had a market capitalization of $2791,742,444 in a truly significant manner. Keep going week on February 17, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $21,225,287,972 in opposition to prevalent thinking. A month prior on January 24, the market worth of Cardano by and large was evaluated to basically be $16,877.69,112, which especially is very critical. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining in an extremely significant way. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This really metric likewise considers the coins that in every practical sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which fundamentally is applied to control the expansion rate amazingly. At this point, the absolute stock of Cardano in every practical sense is laid out at 36,642,477,257 ADA, which really is very critical. Finally, the coursing supply sort of is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization, and in a real sense evaluate the coins genuinely current remaining in the positions, exhibiting how some very huge speculation banks even essentially procure Cardano and genuinely other cryptographic forms of money as a group to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, which truly is genuinely critical. It means the truly generally measure of ADA that certainly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that really are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use out of the blue. So on February 23, the cost of Cardano essentially was at $586,269 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 0.56%. Showing how currently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that explicitly depend on the readings of our truly special crypto unpredictability file that for the most part assists us with checking the market opinion and in every practical sense, expect where in which the market plans to go in a sort of significant manner. Certainly, it's by and large sort of accepted that digital currencies that fundamentally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they explicitly are generally essentially liable to sort of value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate incredibly. At this crossroads, Cardano explicitly has a flowing stockpile of 35